Welcome to Flow with Darja and to this 10-minute full body morning yoga stretch that is designed to wake up your stiff and sore body after a night's sleep. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. So let's begin today in a cross-legged seat. Close your eyes and then wiggle your hips to find a tall spine. And then straight away, start taking deep breaths in through your nose and slowly out through your nose. Take one more. Beautiful. Then with your next inhale, reach your arms up high and look up. And then exhale, left arm crosses to the right knee and right arm reaches up and over to the left. A twisted side body stretch to the left. Keep opening through your chest and maintaining your tall spine. And a deep breath in and exhale it out. And come back to the center. Then twist over to the right and right arm comes behind you and left arm to the outside of your right knee. Grow tall and use your core strength to twist maybe a bit deeper. Release the twist. Reach left arm to your side and right arm to the sky. And take a big inhale. Exhale, side body stretch to the left. Right arm up and over to the left. Feeling a beautiful opening in your right side body. Continue to breathe here. Beautiful, come back up and let's switch sides. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, right arm to your left knee and reach over to your right. Twist that side body stretch to the right. Keep breathing here. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, engage your abs and twist to the left. Left arm behind you, right resting on the outside of your left knee. Make sure you're not pressing yourself further into the twist with your arms. Every inhale, grow tall. And exhale, release your shoulders down. Great. Untwist, right arm onto the side, left to the sky. Inhale here. And then stretch over to the right as you exhale. Slightly open your chest towards the sky. You're broadening through your collarbones. One more big inhale. And exhale, come back up. Inhale, arms high. And exhale, release your hands to your heart. Well done. Now lower all the way down onto your back, moving to a supine figure 4. Knees bend and with hip width distance apart. Then go ahead, lift your right foot and place your ankle over your left thigh. Now flex your foot and either stay here or lift your left foot and hold behind your thigh or on top of your shin. Gently pulling your leg towards your body. You're feeling a beautiful sensation in your right inner thigh and your right hip. Continue breathing in and out through your nose. Gently release your foot down and let's change sides. So placing your left ankle over your right thigh, flex your toes and either stay here or lift your right leg for a deeper stretch in your left inner thigh and your hip. Staying with your breath and staying with the sensations in your body. Beautiful, and release. Now shift your feet closer so you can touch your heels with your fingertips for a bridge pose. Engage your abs and press down through your shoulders, arms and your feet. And as you inhale, then lift your hips up towards the sky. Option to clasp your hands behind your back and then shimmy your shoulders together. Now continue to press down through your heels and arms. Then keep drawing your inner thighs together so your knees don't split out. One more inhale. And then exhale with control, release your hips down. Hug your knees to your chest. And then let's do it one more time. So when you're ready, take a big inhale, press down through your feet and arms, and lift your hips high. And clasp your hands behind your back, and drawing your inner thighs towards one another. Continue to breathe deeply here, in and out through your nose. And release. Beautifully done, my friend. Hug your knees in and maybe swing from side to side. Let's release and move to our supine twist. So lift your hips over to the left just a few inches. Extend the arms out to your side. Then lift your knees and drop them over to your right. Now you can use your right hand to help guide your left thigh down. And look over your left shoulder for some extra shoulder and chest opener. Energetically keep pressing your left shoulder blade down to the mat. Then reaching your left shoulder and your left hip away from one another. Relax into the floor. Maybe close your eyes. Now gently ease out of the twist on this side. Lift your knees back up and through the center. Let's take it to the other side. Lift your hips a little bit over to the right now. And then lifting your knees and drop over to the left. Pressing your rib cage down. And pressing your right shoulder blade down. Slow, steady breaths here. Coming back up through the center. And keep breathing through your transition. Hug your knees to your chest. And maybe rocking from side to side. Before releasing back to the mat. And then rocking up to the seated to finish our class together. So find an easy seat, spine tall, chest nice and proud, and close your eyes. Then take a moment to notice how you feel after taking this time for yourself. And then bring your arms to your heart, palms together, as a sign of gratitude. Namaste, my beautiful friends. Thank you so much for taking this time and sharing it with me on the mat today. Please like this video, let me know in the comments how the practice left you feeling, and subscribe to my channel. I release a new video every Sunday. Thank you again, and I'll see you really soon.